connection we never found.
Alright, so what's going on? I just woke up in Ryan's family house and it's gorgeous here. It's really close, it's really small, but it's owned by a family and it's like really personal with Balinese. But right now I'm waiting to be collected by bus because I'm going cooking today. Gonna cook some Balinese food. I'm gonna go with morning.
Yeah.
How are you? Go.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna cook some Balinese food. I'm waiting for Imelda to come and we're gonna cook together, basically cook some spicy food. It'd be wonderful. He's following me. But I'm super excited for this. It's gonna be so much fun. Hiya. Oh, sorry. I love the space. It's so cool. But it is beautiful. The staff there. It's a family-orientated hostel, so it's beautiful. Sorry. Hello. So I was woken up at 5 in the morning. I am waiting for Imelda right now, but I was told that so each house in Bali has like a temple in it, and so I was woken up at 5 in the morning. They were having a ceremony, and the ceremony was here. The space is beautiful, but they all like the ceremony is basically for saying thanks. So obviously it's still not over and they're still putting stuff out there, but it's like they put incense and they put offerings, so like crackers and like flowers. Beautiful, like it's very spiritual, very zen, sorry. But it's really cool out here. What's your name? Ushin, what's your name? Grandpa?
Yeah.
Grandpa?
Yeah.
Nice one. Oh, nice one. I love that guy, he's so cool. But Imelda, where are you at? I need to go cooking. I'm so hungry. So Imelda finally decides to show up. Hello.
Hi.
And we're going cooking now.
I'm so excited. Hello guys, welcome back to
So we're first picked up out of how many people? There's 4 people coming.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a group thing of cooking and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. We're going to meet new friends, and hopefully Imelda will meet new friends as well. She's like, new friends. No new friends? No. Imelda's not a very nice person. She was super late for being collected by the bus. She's like, I'm on the way, while she was coming out of the shower. It's like, thanks Imelda, thank you so much. She's late. Lena, she's super late. Yeah. So right now we're going to the market to pick up our and Imelda here is flirting with the tour guide, which is fantastic. It's quite funny to watch. The flanter is unreal.
You learn how to prepare the sauce. I'll show you the ingredients inside.
So we just came out of the market and we're on the way to the restaurant. It's not a restaurant, what is it? It's a kitchen. And Imelda's going to make some tasty food.
We're going to the class.
We're going to the class, so this is going to be tasty. I don't know if I'm going to cook though, I'm just going to shoot. But we'll see. This will be fun. And tasty.
Woohoo! She's so fat.
remember this one for
did
Rosan? He
arts and
just
crafts when I was younger.
Then decorate with
That's
any
that.
flowers, yeah?
That's why
You
you
from Bali? No, Jakarta.
I'm from Jakarta. So this is tempeh, and this is we call urap,
Ora.
urap, and this is pepes,
Peppers.
the fish inside, and then satay lilit, and also a fish, and
Is this the fish?
Yes,
Fish.
sambal mata.
Salmon mata. That's the spicy one.
Yes,
Yes. Delicious. Balinese food.
so good.
Enjoy that.
After this, I can open the restaurant.
You can open
I
a
have already a restaurant.
Alright guys, I completely forgot that my camera died just at the end of the cooking session there. I'm back in my apartment now that is around the Gria Sagria hostel, but I wanted to thank everyone over at Wine's Family, Imelda, Lena and Andrew for putting the cooking class together for me. I had so much fun and I made so many new friends. I'd really highly recommend if you come to either the three hostels, so there's the Rice Fields, Gria Sagria and the Wine's Family House, and they can sort it out for you, and it's really cheap as well. It's super enjoyable, you meet so many new people, so if you're in Bali around Ubud, do it. So guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed, please like, rate, subscribe, and then maybe give me a follow on Instagram if you haven't already. I'll link all three hostels down below. If you're ever in Ubud, I highly recommend it. I love these guys, they're so much fun and the staff are incredible. Right, enjoy.